Hey, what's up, everyone? Gerald here with Blades and Bait. Welcome back. Anyway, today I want to talk to you about, well, Squidward. What the hell are you talking about? Have you lost your marbles? Yes. Yes, I have. Now, why the hell you want to talk about some cartoon squid, the cynical cartoon squid that lives in Bikini Bottom? Well, it's not the same squid. What we're about to talk to you about today is this little guy here. Of course, to me, it looks more like maybe a cuttlefish, possibly the spokesperson for Fruit Loops. This is your Kizer Squidward. Came out this year, and yeah, I have been a big fan of the front flippers, and now many different companies are producing them. In fact, I've been collecting front flippers since about roughly, I think, 2010 or 2011, really. In fact, talk about this and a couple others that just came in today. So let's see what we have then. So let's check out some of the newer front flippers that came out in 2022. This one arrived about a couple days ago. Arrived in your standard Kizer box. I've been becoming a big fan of Kizer ever since I was introduced to them, probably about back in 2018 or so, maybe or 2017. But basically, this is your standard Kizer box that it came in. A little manual and catalog about Kizer. But one thing I do like about it, look, it comes with additional hardware. Some screws just in case. But this is the Squidward. This is actually a $65 to $70 knife. I picked it up on eBay for, believe it or not, $40. Now, how the hell you picked it up for that low? Well, simple. I had me a $25 gift certificate for eBay, and I do like it. It arrived about a couple days ago. This is with purple G10. It comes with two different colors. One is black, one is purple. And the main thing I like about it, it doesn't have that huge tab or such an aggressive tab like you see on my others. This one is nice, it's rounded, and it's extremely smooth. A little bit smaller than the typical size that I carry. I do like that deep carry pocket clip. The main thing I also like about it, notice how the screws are actually flush, so you don't have the screw heads that's sticking out, and basically what you'll end up doing is that you'll end up having only this much room when you're trying to put it in your pocket. It does come with your additional lanyard. Has your ball bearings pivot. Now, what's cool about it, this one actually comes with your 154 cm steel. That is a good quality steel, especially for the price. Good quality budget steel. Comes with a very slicey drop point edge on it. Slight clip point right here. Jimping about halfway through the knife. And well, main thing I like about this jimping, it's relatively smooth. It's not aggressive. It's not going to tear your thumb out if you're pressing down on it. Looks like it also have your skeletonized liners. Very lightweight too. Let's see on how big the Squidward is. Close length looks like it comes at 3 3/4 of an inch. Blade length, roughly about 2 3/4 of an inch. And overall length is looks like it's 6 3/4 of an inch. And so far I am impressed by the Squidward, and it is everything that I've been expecting, especially from a Kizer. So even if at the full price of $65, I definitely won't mind paying for this. Yeah, and the nice thing about it, also if you live in those states that you're not allowed to carry a pocket knife that's with a blade that's bigger than 3 inches, this falls right under 3 inches. Very sleek, elegant, extremely smooth too. Look at that, folks. Like butter. In fact, let's check out the edge on it. Let's test this puppy out here. Ooh, very nice. Pretty much zero resistance whatsoever. First one, and the funny thing is, it arrived from both from the same seller. Well, let's give it a shot, see what's in here. Yep, this just arrived. A couple of them, I've never heard of the brand before. I did read a lot of good reviews on them. They are fairly new companies. The first one will be this one right here. It's made by 6 Leaf. It is a Chinese company. I've never heard of 6 Leaf before. This is something completely new. I don't even see the model number or anything on this. Well, let's see what's inside here. Oh, it's pretty beefy. Do like that micarta handle though. It does have your deep carry pocket clip, but that's what I was telling you about, is that those screw heads are sticking out, so therefore you're pretty much going to be stuck on your pocket about this much, unless you push it all the way in. It is pretty heavy. In fact, I am kind of curious on how heavy this one is. Wow, yeah. This one is almost 4 ounces. 3.77 ounce. Well, let's take a look at this. That's a nice stonewash finish on it. I believe this also have your ball bearings pivot. And the model name on this is actually called the SL11. I guess that's kind of like Tucson Knives and other knife companies where they just have numbers instead of an actual name. But it looks like you have a couple of ways of opening it. Of course, you have this big sharp flipper tab. It is fairly smooth, and of course you have your thumb stud right here. There's no blade play whatsoever. That's good. The blade is almost center. This one actually has your D2 steel on it, but I didn't pay very much for this knife. This one, I paid about $35 or $36. I mean, I guess it's okay. I don't really like the finish on this liner right here. The detent is extremely weak. Look at that. I just shake it open and it pops right open. To tell you the truth, I'm not very impressed with this knife. And especially for $35, I can get a much better quality knife. It seems like this is cheaply made, in all honesty. And again, I don't like this sharp tab. The jimping is extremely aggressive on it. This will definitely tear up your thumb. Well, I don't know about this one, folks. I mean, overall, I do like the micarta handle. It does feel nice in your hand. It's just the blade itself, I don't really care for so far. Let's see on how big this is. Looks like the overall cutting length, the blade length itself looks like it's at about 3 inches. Overall length is looks like it's almost 7.5 inches. This one I really don't care for about the quality. In fact, I might return this one, folks. Yeah, it seems like it's very cheaply made. Honestly, for $35, pick up something else. I will not recommend this one. It's not for me. It feels very cheap. Anyway, that one is the 6-leaf SL11. The third one is this one. It's also another brand new brand. I've never heard of it. I did read a lot of good reviews, and from the picture, it definitely looks a lot better than the one that I'm currently using. It's this one right here. This one is also made by another company I've never heard of. I read a lot of good reviews about it. Hopefully this is much better quality than that 6-leaf one, because that one I was definitely not impressed by. There it is, folks. And comes with your little polishing cloth. A lot better. I mean, it just feels nice in your hands. It's and the jimping is not as aggressive as that 6-leaf one. I like the fact that it's nice and slim too. And on this one, it doesn't look like they have skeletonized liners, but it does feel very light. And I guess the designer is David Chen. I'm not sure who he is. It does comes with a little lanyard right here. Ooh, I love the action on it. That is nice. And this one, for only $6 more, you get a much better quality knife. I am impressed by this Petrified Fish. This one comes with your ceramic ball bearings. This comes with a little thumb hole, but I'm not sure if you can even access it. It doesn't seem like it. The only way you can open it, it looks like it's through the flipper tab, but it is extremely smooth. And look at it, folks. The screws are flushed in. This way you shouldn't have any problems putting this in your pocket. And I do love the shape of that. Has a nice flat ground edge on it with a satin finish. Looks like it's very slicey too. In fact, let's give it a shot. Ooh, yeah, that should cut like butter. Like it. I am impressed by the quality so far. I do like the way it feels. There's no hot spots, and the jimping is not very aggressive. Very lightweight. In fact, this one weighs only 2.29 ounces, folks. It is a very lightweight knife. Extremely smooth. And I believe this one comes with your Sandvik steel. Yeah, it's actually written right on the inside of the knife. I don't even know if I can even pick it up. Yeah, it looks like the print is far too small for me to pick up on the camera, but it is a 14C 28N Sandvik steel. Overall, I do like this knife. For $42, folks, you can't beat it. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please smash that like and leave your comments down below. I am so close to getting 100 subscribers, folks. If you can help me out, I will greatly appreciate your support. But hit that subscribe for some more knives, fishing, and kit videos. You guys take care, and I'll talk to you later.